How to buy live token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards of crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token address is and it's available on AutoSnipe. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, as you can see, open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. This is it. Now after that, click on the provider, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure you have enough to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to access the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page with the slip page from here or customer, because the most of these issues came from the slip page. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a live token. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. See you in the next video.